JBL Tune 520BT versus Sony WH-CH520. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm gonna give you a detailed comparison between these two headphones, and by the end of this video you're gonna have a clear understanding which one is better for you and which one should you buy. So as you can see that this table that I have, in which I have written all of the major features that you can consider in order to compare these two. So we are going to start one by one. So first, both of these are the on-ear headphones. The drive size in the JBL Tune is 33 mm, whereas in the Sony it is 30 mm. So the JBL Tune has a slight edge and 1 point. Next, the frequency response is same in both of these, that is 20 Hz. The impedance is 32 ohms in JBL Tune, whereas in Sony it is only 24 ohms. So here the Sony has a win. If we talk about the sensitivity, then the JBL Tune has 100 dB of the SPL sensitivity, whereas in the Sony WH has 102. So in this segment, Sony WH is the clear winner. Next, we have the battery life. So battery is one of the most important features that you can consider, and it is game changing. So in the JBL Tune you can get up to 57 hours of battery backup, whereas in the Sony WH you can get 50 hours of battery backup. So in this segment we have JBL Tune 520BT a win. If we talk about the charging time, then in the JBL Tune you only have to just charge it for 2 hours, and it also supports quick charging. So in the 5 minute you can get a quick charge, and you can get the 2 hours of playback time. Next we have the Sony. So in Sony you will have to wait for 3 hours to get this charge, and it also supports quick charging, and in 3 minutes you get 1.5 hours of playback time. So in both of these segments, as you can see that the JBL Tune 520BT has a better performance than that of Sony. Sony is not bad, but JBL Tune is slightly better. Next we have the microphone. So both of these has microphone. Bluetooth version, so the JBL Tune has 5.3 whereas the Sony WH 5.2. so in the Bluetooth connectivity segment the JBL Tune 520BT also wins. Next we have the wireless range, multi-point connection, voice assistant integration, app support, and the foldable design. So these 5 features are available in both of these, and these has tie. Next, weight can be one of the important features for some people. So if we talk about the JBL Tune, then its weight is 160 grams, whereas the Sony one has 147 grams of weight. So in this segment, or in this feature, Sony wins. If we talk about the color availability, so the color availability is every individual's personal choice, but in both of these you get 4 different colors options. If we talk about the price range, then both of these comes with the same kind of price range. So there is only very slight difference into it. So this table is completely in front of you. So with the help of these tables you can decide which one should you buy. Both of these headphones in my opinion has tie, but if the charging time or the battery life is something that you want to consider, then JBL Tune 520BT is the best for you. In other segments, the Sony WH-CS 520 could be your option. So I will put the best buying link of these two down in the description, so you can check out that as well. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.